Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Sentence at a Snap. This is a continuation of our last topic, that is simple present tense. In the last class, I discussed that tense or time are not one and the same, they are two different entities. And now I am going to explain how do we use simple present tense. I explained that if the subject is plural, we use the basic form of verb. We use the basic form of the verb. This is called as the infinite form of the verb also. If the subject is plural, we use the basic form of the verb. So, for example, they play, we sing, the students run. So, in these sentences, look at the subject, they, we, the students. They are in plural. So, what verb is coming here? Play, sing, run. What is this? This is the basic form of the verb. And if the subject is singular, so what happens? We add S or ES to the verb. We add S or ES to the verb. Let's take the example. He works. She sings. Ravi plays. So look here, the sentence, look at the subjects, he, she, Ravi. They are in singular. So what's happening to the verb here? It's taking yes. Sometimes it may take es also. So if the subject is plural, we take the basic form of the verb. If the subject is singular, we add s or es to the verb and we use them. Okay, so this is about simple present tense uses. And now I am going to explain when do we use simple present tense. When do we use simple present tense? So first we use simple present tense in habitual actions. Here I would like to suggest something for you. That is, English is well understood through simple present tense only. Most of the Indians use complex compound sentences and they ignore the simple sentences. But if you speak in simple sentences, they may be simple but they are very effective. So, try to learn to present all your emotions through simple sentences only. And so, let us learn what are habitual actions. So, a habitual action is something we do regularly or with some intervals. Let us learn the words always, regularly, often, etc. So, if you do an action with some intervals or with continuously, we use simple present tense. So, actually, let us make some sentences. Maybe you have a habit of reading a poem every day. So, what do you say? I read a poem every day. So, if your sister prepares coffee for all the members in your family, you say that my sister prepares coffee every morning. So what did you do here? You are presenting your sentences that you are going to do them in a regular way. And the second point that we use is universal truths. They are proved to be the scientific point of view and they are proved to be certain then we use them in simple present tense. The best example is known to you that the earth rotates round the sun. The earth rotates round the sun. It is a very common and casual expression for universal truths. And then we use simple present tense in the next parts, that is for the well planned actions. For the well planned actions. There is a certainty, there is a definiteness in the action. Then we use simple present tense. Though the meaning of this is in future, we use simple present tense only. That's what I explained you in the previous lesson, saying that tense and time are not one and the same. So here I will use another model for you. The schools closes on 24th April. In Andhra Pradesh, it is a very common thing that all the schools closes on 24th April. And in the same way, the school opens on 13th June. If you are definite, if it is a clarified idea, if you are very certain about this, then you use simple present tense. And the last one in here is historical present tense. Actually, this is a case which is very less used in India. Of course, we have to learn this. Historical present tense. When we are going to study about a great king of history, sometimes we can use simple present tense. So we can say that Akbar is a great emperor. Of course, Akbar, here we have to use past tense. But in the case historical present tense, you can use the tense as is. Okay, so this is about simple present tense. Thank you for watching.